Hey guys, if your Sylvania smart bulb won't connect to the app, keeps failing during pairing, or never joins your Wi Fi network, you're in the right place. This issue is commonly caused by the bulb not being in pairing mode, your phone being connected to a 5G HZ Wi Fi network instead of 2.4G HZ, an incorrect Wi Fi password, or the bulb being too far from the router during setup. In some cases, the smart home app may also need permission updates or the bulb may require a factory reset before it can pair successfully. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So let's get started. Number 1. Connect your phone to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network before beginning the setup. 2. Reset the bulb until it starts blinking to enter pairing mode. 3. Add the bulb again using the compatible Sylvania Smart Home app. 4. Keep the bulb close to your Wi-Fi router until the pairing process finishes. 5. Update the app and install any available bulb firmware after it connects.